Hello and welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about Scratch, especially for beginners. Scratch is a slide and draw programming language for children designed to create things such as games, animations, platform games, and clicker games. It allows them to explore and experiment with the ideas of computer programming by using blocks that are put together to make simple code. Although made for children from 8 to 16 years old, Scratch can be used to produce simple or complex programs, so it is worth learning to use by adults as well. Scratch is translated into 70 languages and it used in homes, schools, and after-school clubs in every country in the world. Scratch is often used in teaching coding, computer science, and computational thinking. Teachers also use it as a tool across many other subjects, including math, science, history, geography, and art. The area where the user can interact with is called the stage area. The stage area features all of the animations, graphics, drawings, and among other visual features. The lists of sprites on screen are placed below the stage area to show a list of sprites that are usable for the program. The stage is organized through X and Y coordinates, with the center coordinate 0.0 placed in the center of the stage. The stage is 480 pixels wide and 360 pixels tall, with a range between x equals -240 to x equals 240 in width and a range between y equals -180 and y equals 180 in height. There is a lot of categories in Scratch like motion, move sprites and change angles and change x and y values. Looks controls the visuals of the sprite. The sprite may be attached a speech bubble or a through bubble. The background or sprite can be changed. It can be enlarged or shrunken. It can have transparency or it can have shading. Sound plays sound files and allows the programming of a musical sequence. Pen allows the drawing on the canvas by controlling pen width, color, and shade. It also allows the creation of turtle graphic or drawable graphics. Data deals with declaring variables and lists as well as for adjusting variables and lists. Events contains event handlers that are placed on top of each group of blocks to start a program or start to make something happen. Contain Control contains conditional if-else statements as well as conditional statements for ever, repeat, and stop. Sensing. These tools are used for directing sprites to interact with the surrounding that the user has created. Operators. Mathematical operators, random number generator, and or statement that compare sprite positions. More blocks. Custom blocks and external devices control and can import from Picoboard or Lego Hero. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I hope that you learned a lot about Scratch.